gentlemen want the rum, don't ya, boys?
Your attention, please.
Multi-day tickets are an especially good value.
So if you haven't figured out quite where we're at yet,
Disneyland.
what is shaking? We are back. We're mainly here just for Galaxy's Edge, but that is not until tomorrow. So we're going to enjoy tonight. We already had our first little fail. We were going to try to do the crazy shakes over at Black Tap in downtown Disney, but the line was too long. So we said, oh well, we'll head into Disney, start exploring, because right now the lines have not been long all week since Galaxy's Edge opened. So we're curious to see how things are going to work, especially since it's grad night. It's a little crowded, but we'll see how we do and see where we wander, but we definitely need some food. 7-hour drive, we're hungry. So I guess first things first, before we eat, we have to check out the brand new roof on the castle. It's gorgeous. I know it looks really tiny on screen, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. We will get better pictures with the camera, but I figured we'd take a nice stroll down Main Street before we stumble upon some food and then check out what things have opened, what has changed. So a lot has happened in these 2 months that we haven't been here. So we're over here at Pizza Planet, the former Red Rockets, and we just thought we'd show you guys really quick what we got. I just got the simple salad, the anti-pasta salad, and Ashley got the white pasta. So both of these items were on the former menu, and most of the items are actually exactly the same. The facade inside really hasn't changed much, and the only thing is the sign that you saw is different. It has changed. But overall, so far, it's pretty much exactly alike. So we're gonna grub, we're gonna eat, and then we'll tell you if it in fact changed or if it is the same thing. So overall, the dishes were okay. They are almost exactly the same. Your pasta was the same. So the white pasta is...
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
I added stuff.
Well, okay, we added and tweaked it, but it is the exact same dish as before when it was Red Rocket Pizza Port. My dish, my salad, was a little bit different. For the most part, it was the same. The vinaigrette was a little more creamy and they gave you a little more. Before we used to have to add ranch or add more vinaigrette. This time it was perfect and they gave you more of the pepperoni, more of the salami, a lot more olives. They had little like cheese balls. It was phenomenal. I really liked our salad. So we're gonna quickly shop, then we're gonna start riding some rides because we only have a couple hours left. And it's a short trip. We have a couple hours now. We have all day tomorrow. Galaxy's Edge, it's just going to be jam-packed. So let's shop and see what new merchandise we can find. So I wanted to quickly point this out before we got too far in. They still are selling the opening day shirts over in the Star Traders. So of course we're going to get some, and I don't know how much they are. These ones are $35, so I surmise these are the same price. But I thought I would show you these. But a lot of this stuff you can get over in Galaxy's Edge. Like these metal earths right here, I will definitely be walking out either here or Galaxy's Edge with them. You can also get C-3POs. You can get BB-8s down here. A lot of the stuff that's in Galaxy's Edge you can actually get over here. The generic stuff, there is still a lot of Galaxy's Edge stuff, you know, exclusive things over there, but the generic, more open, just like there's an R2 unit right there, you can get over here at the Star Traders. And lastly, before we head out, all of the pins that you can purchase, and these are also patches. Patches seem to be the new thing coming around Disney parks. Ash, how much are the patches? Let's look and see. How much is the Foxfire Outpost? Yeah. That's not bad, $10, so it's about the same as the pins.
Well, let's see.
Let's trade. Trade sides.
So for just the single ones, it's
Single patch is $9.99.
And then for all four, but smaller, or just actually different styles, it's $29.99.
Okay, so you're saving about $10. And then the pins, well, we can look, but I'm pretty sure they're $10 as well.
$15.99.
Oh, 16. Woo! Okay, and that's for that one. Let's check this. Let's check the, yeah.
Yeah, they're all the same.
Okay, so I wonder if these might be just a limited. I mean, they do say limited on them. Okay, so now I think we're done after Ashley's done. Look, okay,
$12.99.
so there are some different prices. I know some of the ones I was looking online inside of Galaxy's Edge were cheaper. And how much for the multi-pack here?
$27.99.
And that's for the 4-pack. Okay, I think we're gonna call this store a wrap. Let's go ride some rides. First stop, Autopia. Okay, I'm going to attempt to do this for the first time ever. Film Autopia with this camera. And I'm all by myself, so I actually have to push the gas and steer. This is not going to be easy. I apologize now for the shakiness, but I am super excited. This is like our favorite ride. And the fact that Ashley kicked me out of the car kind of makes me a little, like, uneasy. Like, why would she kick me out? But anyways, let's just enjoy. Fireworks are going off. I'll try to get some shots of that. Otherwise, it is a gorgeous night. Not too hot, not too cold. And oh, it is wonderful. I really need a gimbal, guys. I really need something to help me. Whew. And actually, it would be easier if somebody wouldn't have kicked me out of her car. Ugh. But it's okay. It lets us bond. Gives us some time together. Whee! Oh, this is really dark. All right, and the worst part is always the return. But I guess this time, it isn't necessarily a bad thing. Because it just means we get to hop on the train and start to head over to Frontierland, because we got a fast pass for the wildest ride in the wilderness. So once again, leave it to Ashley to get detoured and sidetracked. We were supposed to be heading over to Thunder, but if Pirates is a walk-on, you have to ride it, right? That's like Disney law or something.
See on top of the bed? See the skeleton? That's a real skeleton. That's a real, they don't need that. The one that's above
You know where it ends? No, to see that you will risk.
We're going to send the ship! Jack Sparrow, show yourself, you miserable bird! I am no cheater! I will not talk! Bring the lubber aloft, lady! Where be Captain Jack Sparrow and the treasure, you pilgrim?
The gentlemen want the rum! Don't ya, boys?
Scurvy scoundrel! Do I hear that? We'll get it in that
Here sport. That's about a nice, juicy bag. Over here.
So how was Pirates to end the night? And I know it wasn't all of Pirates. We will hopefully ride it again at a different time and we can film it all. I see. Boy, I know. I was just gonna get to that. We didn't ride Thunder. We thought we'd call it a night after Pirates. We're gonna get a little dessert, but we thought we'd call it a night just because tomorrow's gonna be such a long day. We are going rope drop to closing. We haven't done this since me and Ashley first started dating, and it's gonna be tough. We're gonna try it, and I know we will conquer it as I fade into the darkness. But anyways, we have one more stop. We have one more thing to get. And like I said, we will ride Pirates again where I film it all. So my seat was horrible. I had really tall people in front of me, and I'm tall, but I had even taller people in front of me. We didn't ride Thunder. We will definitely ride Thunder tomorrow. But like I said, one more stop. And I know I'm just a voice because it's way too dark. We're over by the Tiki Room. So enough said. Let's just hit this last stop. So we had to get dessert really quick. Ashley got the rainbow cupcake, which is a yellow cake underneath. And I got the cookies and cream. Both look amazing. So we're gonna go check these out in the hotel. We'll try them out and let you know how they are. So that is gonna do it for this little snippet. Our cupcakes were delicious, by the way. The white cake was definitely better than the chocolate cake, but the frosting on the chocolate cake was better than the rainbow. So overall, both were good little cupcakes. So we are off to bed. It's time to wind down. We have a long day tomorrow. We'll get up about 5:45, 6 o'clock, get ready, get all set, head off into the park. And then our reservation for Galaxy's Edge is from 11 to 3. So we'll have a few hours before, hopefully hit Fantasyland, then hit Galaxy's Edge. And then, like I said, we're going rope drop to closing. So it's going to be a long one. So good night, everybody, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So Ash, where are we going?
Nowhere in particular.
Okay, that sounds good to me.